Right when you click on the Daily Spanish tab, it takes you straight to the category Random Picks. And on the left hand side, there are the 3 bars. And you could click on those 3 bars and it will take you to more categories in alphabetical order. From beer, coffee, confused, girl talk, on the go, and yes. And you can swipe left or right. And if you ever want to go back to the category Random Pick page, click on My Spanish app. Right when you click on it, it takes you straight back to the category Random Pick page. Let's click on the 3 bars again and let's pick a category. Let's say On the Go. Right when you click on the Go, it gives you every video to learn Spanish. So from come on, come here, come on, hurry up, and get over here. Let's do come on. Right when you click on that page, it takes you straight to a video, and let's press play.
Come on, ándale.
Ándale.
Come on, ándale.
Ándale. Let's put pause. And if you ever want to go back to that category page, there's this blue left button arrow you can click on. It'll take you straight back to On the Go. And if you ever want to go back to that category page, just click on those 3 bars again.